Hi everyone, in today's video I would like to show you how I'm getting paid to pay my Robinhood margin. Everyone, welcome back to Borrow and Build, where I invest my paycheck. I buy shares, stocks like SPYM. Well, it's so hard to say because it used to be SPOG. Now is SPYM. My total return is about 25%. My SCHD total return is 6.34%. I have SCHD where 100 shares where I'm doing cover calls on it and like trade options and some fractional shares of Apple. And remember, guys, I'm not a financial advice. I'm not telling anyone what to do or to follow my footsteps. This is my own journey that I have chosen, and I don't want you to follow me because this is very risky. This can go down to zero, so do not follow me blindly and don't take what I'm saying as gospel. Thank you. Today I'm doing a cash secure put on SHD because it's down. So I'm gonna go to trade options, go to November 7, sell put. So for 26.50. That means that for by next week, that means that if SHD by next week drops to 26.50, I'm willing to buy it. I'm gonna do one contract, and I'm getting about $10. Actually, yeah, about let me see if I can get a better deal. I do not know. I mean, it's just high. I might get it by 0.25, 0.25. 0.24. Let me see if I get a better deal, guys. Just bear with me for a second. It says low, medium. I'll see with this one. We'll do it. Let me go to. I'm gonna be a little bit greedy. Make 23. That's low. 22. Just medium. Okay. Review, and let's see if we get it. I might get $25. I did not know. Let's see. No, guys, I'm not getting this contract, so I'm gonna have to replace it. So I'm gonna go to 0.20 again. It says medium. Let's see if I get about $20. And nope, 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 nope. If you shoot to the stars, you might end up on the moon. If you shoot for the stars, you might end up on the moon. Nope, nope. I'm gonna replace it. Maybe 0.15. Maybe. No, I'm not getting it, guys. Maybe I'm being too greedy. Who knows? No, I'm gonna replace it. Okay, 0.11, 0.12. I'm gonna get it up there for 15. Let's go. No, not yet. Not yet. No, it's not going through. Hopefully it does. Just let me cancel it and let me go back again to SHD. It's going back up a little bit. And okay, for next week, let's see. Okay, I'm willing to, 25.50. No, let's see, 13, 14, 13. So most likely, let's see. No, it's not doing so. Let's see if we go still, guys. I'm putting 26.50. It's a battle, but let's see. Nope, nope. Yes, guys, it went through. It went through, okay? So I got 14.96 for this contract, okay? And let me see. And what happens here? You see, I have a contract. I have a sell put of for 26.50. Today I have a call sale that expires today, and you see my buying power went down, but because they have $2,600 in collateral, and let's see what happens for next week, and I'll keep you updated. My realized profit and loss doing options since I started doing so has been of $356. And over here, I lost about $157. And I believe that's because I was too greedy. So I had to buy back, I believe, the shares from SPOG because I was doing it so often that, again, I got too greedy, too comfortable, and I didn't want to let it go. And I had to buy back my contract. Each thing is $122, which is not bad. And this is gonna add up because I made about so far $20 of SCHD premium from sell calls and sell put. This is today. Hopefully, I don't. If I have to let it go, I don't mind. So yeah, this is what I'm doing because I want to pay back basically my margin. It's like a way of paying it back. And I'm the type of guy that would like to pay back its margin, if not completely, but I don't want my margin to get out of hand. And look at my portfolio, how it's doing. I'm not doing too bad, to be honest. Yeah. So, guys, this is what I've been doing to pay back my margin. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hopefully, I'll see you in the next one.